Hey guys, this is Derek Johnson, Free Funnel Mastery. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to integrate Zapier, third-party tool that connects other apps together. It's a free app for up to 5 zaps, so you can go over to Zapier.com, sign up. I got mine pulled up here already. These are the 2 zaps that you'll want to get for sure. One is it adds your new ClickFunnels contacts to a Google Sheet, which you can use just with a Gmail account. You get a free Google Drive and you can get these Google Sheets. Also, it's going to add a new contact to your active campaign account, and that's the third-party email autoresponder that I use. So I'll just show you how easy this is, guys. Just pull up your Zap there. So the trigger is basically what sets the automation in motion. It's going to be the first app that you set up. In this case, it's ClickFunnels. It could also be Facebook. If you post something to Facebook, you want to automatically share to Instagram or vice versa. Whatever that first trigger is, that's what you want this to be. So as you can see, we got ClickFunnels here. Then this next step kind of tells you what within the app is going to start that automation. In this case, it's a new contact activity. You could also do automation for abandoned carts or successful purchases to pretty much deliver your goods. But we'll do new contact for now. Here we'll just select our ClickFunnels. You can test it here. I already know it's working, so I'm going to skip that. This is where you select which funnel you want this to work for. And in the next step, you're going to test to make sure it's pulling your contacts right. As you can see here, it's working. So then we'll go to our next action, which is the automation portion. So whenever a new contact's added, it's going to create a spreadsheet row in a Google Sheet. I already hooked mine up, but you would just click here or search right here to pull up your app. And it's going to create spreadsheet row. We'll continue here. So I'm using my free Gmail account. I actually have Outlook 365 for my business email, just because it was easier when I set up my domain to use them. But if you have G Suite, you could use your business email here as well. And this basically tells you how you're going to pull the data in. So on this challenge one, I was just getting email opt-ins, so I didn't have any data for their name. Some of these you can get more information, and it's going to automatically add all that to your spreadsheet. And also in your third-party email autoresponder, you can get that additional information as well. Just make sure it's matching up and hit continue. Test was successful, so it's going to make that test and send that to my Google Sheet. And it says, awesome, your Zap is working. You might have to turn it on if it's the first time you're setting this up, but other than that, I can pull up my Google Sheet right now, and it's going to have a new spreadsheet line. I don't want to do that because I'm already getting contacts in there, but that's how this works, guys. So you get 5 free zaps. In the future, if you need more advanced automation, they do offer some conditional automation, multi-step zaps and stuff like that. But just go to Zapier.com, get this set up, and save yourself a lot of time.